Hello everybody, welcome to another Ranger Auto video. Today we're changing these on that. That is a 2006 Ford Focus, and these are the rear liftgate struts. First thing you want to do is you'll need a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an assistant or a really long 2x4. And you'll see why here in just a second. See, this one, you lift it up all the way and it just kind of droops. You don't want that. That's going to cause a lot of injuries. So you want the assistant, because as soon as you take these loose, this lift gate's going to get pretty heavy. So you want to go ahead and set these down on the, set those down. You're going to take your screwdriver. You're going to go up here and you're going to see these clips right here. You're going to pop these clips back. You do this because you're near a piece of glass. If you just pop these off like you normally would, you risk cracking this window. You don't want to crack this window. So that's what it looks like when you got the clip out. So now when you're ready, you'll just pull down on that and that'll come right out. So we're going to come over here and we're going to get this clip on the back side. Which is right there, and you just kind of twist. Pops the clip right out just like that, and get it right on the end of your screwdriver if you do it right. Alright, now with your assistant holding the lift gate up, not all the way, just a little bit. You don't want to go all the way with this because you just want to grab it, you want to pop it like that with your hand, and then the other end will just fall right off. See, just like that. See, just like that. You want to do the same on these. You want to take these clips off, and then when you get the clips off, then you can install these ends. You want to pay close attention to how these came off, because they have to go back on the same way they came off. Otherwise the spring tension won't be right and it'll fall. So you want to go ahead and you want to take this end out. And you want to get that end out right there. Try not to swear at it. Of course, it doesn't hurt to do that. You want to set your old clips aside from your new clips, because you want the new clips to go back on. And if you need reference, you can look at that side. So cylinder part goes on the car, and all you got to do is just fit it on there. Might have to pop it. Let's put the car end on first. So you lift the end up, put the car end on, pop that end on just like that. And then you can go ahead and put your clips back in. They should snap right in. Sometimes you can set them on the edge of the top. You see how it's got that little edge right there? You set them up on the top and then you push them down. But that's the general idea, so I'm going to finish this up. Other side's the same. This will work for any vehicle that's got these struts on it. It also works for hood struts. All you have to do is just verify your part number and the length of the strut. See, if they're the same as the old one, you're in good shape. Otherwise, that's it for today, and if you have any questions, let me know.